Okay, so you should have had enough time to record your problems in your math journal, and we are going to go over your problem so you can correct your answer if you need to. If you look at the model that's shown here in our problem, it looks a lot like our model here. So it's very important that you understand how to read the model and label the model. Label is very important. You're going to hear me talk about labeling all the time. It really helps you to understand how to use any visuals that you are working with to help solve your problem, guide your thinking. So here we have the whole, and the second model is partitioned into one, two, three, four, five, six parts. And then the last one is one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So I'm going to label and notice that I am using unit fractions because each piece represents 1/6 of the whole. So we'll use another color for eighths. Okay, now I'm going to go back and highlight any clues. So I know that I'm using fractions, strips, and then I am comparing because it says which comparison and explanation. So the explanation is nothing more than the statement are true. Again, it's important that you continue to label. So I have 5/6 is less than 5/8 because eights are larger than 6. Now, if I look at my eights, I can clearly see that my eights are not larger than 6. Okay. And since I know that I'm comparing these two numbers, these two fractions, I can go ahead and really write my fraction statement down to help me find my correct answer choice. So I know that 5/6 is greater than 5/8 because 6 are greater than 8. I also know that 5/8 is less than 5/6 because 8s are less than or smaller than 6. So I am looking for either one of these equations, but it has to be the correct statement, the correct explanation to why it is true. So for this one, um, it's incorrect all around because 5/6 is not less than 5/8, and eights are not larger than 6. So I can eliminate this answer choice. B says 5/6 is less than 5/8 because 6 are larger than 8. Now, 6 are larger than 8, but both parts have to be true. So here, both parts were false. I'm going to write an F for false because both parts were false. Neither were true. The equation is false, but the statement is true. And I have to have two truths in order for my answer choice to be correct. So B cannot be my answer. 5/6 is greater than 5/8. Well, that part is true because eights are larger than 6. Okay, so my statement makes it false because, again, eights are not greater than 6. So D has to be my answer choice, but I need to know why D is my answer choice. So it says that 5/6 is greater than 5/8. That's true because 6 are larger than 8. That is also true. So since I have two truths, I have my expression is correct and I have my equation that's correct and I have my explanation which is also correct. So the answer choice is D. Now let's look at our second problem. It says the models shown are the same size and are each divided into equal sized parts. The models are shaded to represent, and represent means to show, two fractions. So I am going to highlight the fact that I have models that are the same size and they are divided into equal parts and they represent two fractions, the shaded. And I'm going to also include show because I know that when it's representing something, it's trying to show me something. So it's showing me two fractions that are divided into equal parts. They are divided differently though. I have one that is divided into thirds with two of the thirds shaded, and I have one that is divided into fourths where two are shaded. Now I can also look at my strip to see the size of a third, compare 1/3 to 1/4, and I can see that thirds are greater than fourths. Even though 4, if we're using whole numbers, yes, 4 is bigger than thirds. But remember, we are talking about fractions. So fractions are smaller than whole numbers already. So when the bigger the denominator, the smaller the pieces. So 4 is greater than 3 when we're talking about whole numbers. But when we're talking about fractional parts, it's actually smaller because we have more pieces here, or smaller parts here. So now I'm looking for the statement that is true. And again, I can go ahead and write that 2/3 is greater than 2/4 because thirds are greater than fourths. And I can also write that 2/4 is less than 2/3 because, again, fourths are smaller, have smaller parts than thirds. Okay, so let's label. So I have a greater than symbol here. It's saying that 2/3 is greater than 2/4 because thirds are larger than fourths. This may be my answer, but of course, I need to make sure that I check all of the problems to make sure that I am not trying to, no one is trying to trick me, and make sure that I'm understanding and reading each answer choice correctly. So I will put a question mark by F. G says 2/3 is equal to 2/4. Well, I know this is false because they are not the same. They do not have the same amount shaded because each model has two shaded parts. Well, that part is true. It is true. They do have two parts shaded. However, they are not equal to one another. So G is false. Remember, I have to have two true statements in order for the entire answer choice to be true. H says that 1/3 is less than 1/4. Well, we're not even comparing the thirds. We are comparing thirds and fourths, but our fraction model represents 2/3 and 2/4. So this part is technically true, but those are not the fractions that we are comparing. And the statement is also incorrect because it says that 3 is less than 4, and that's not true. Okay, 3 is less than 4 when we're talking about whole numbers, but not when we're speaking in terms of fractions. So this is false. Well, this part is actually true. I shouldn't say false. This statement, no, it's false. That is false. I'm sorry, because thirds are greater than fourths and not less than. So my apologies. Let me retract. Thirds are less than fourths. So this is saying that 1/3 is less than 1/4, and this makes it false. So that's not true. Okay. And then we know that J is not true because 1/3 is not equal to 1/4. So that makes that part of our answer choice false because each model shows one whole. And the shaded part does not show one whole. So that is also false.